Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install MX Linux 25 Infinity Edition on VMWare Workstation. Okay, first go to MX Linux official website and download. It is mxlinux.org. Click on download. See here we have the different desktop options: XFCE, KDE or Fluxbox. Whatever you want you can select. In XFCE also we have different versions. I am going to download and install this XFCE 2564-bit. So click on it to download. No need to register. Wait a moment. Download will be started. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 2.6 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Now click on create a new virtual machine or file and select new virtual machine. Both are same to create new virtual machine. Then select installer disk image file. Then click on browse, that is ISO image. Click on browse. Then go to the path where you kept that downloaded ISO image. See here I have the MX Linux 25 XFCE ISO. Select it. Click on next. Select the Linux and version as Debian because this is based on Debian 13, but I don't have 13 here. So select the latest one from this list. Click on next. Then provide the name. Name can be anything. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this browse button. Select the path where you have the enough space. Now provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the summary of the virtual machine. If you want to customize or modify any one of these settings, click on customize hardware. I am going to increase memory to 4 gigabytes. Or use this pointer to move up or down. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings or right click and select settings. Okay. And if you want to provide description for this virtual machine, you have to provide here. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine or right click and select start power and startup guest. Either is same. Click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is MX25 XFCE 64 and hit enter. See, if cursor is grayed out, just press Alt Control to release the cursor. See, this is welcome page. See, if you want to use this for testing purpose, close this one, use and you can shut down. But if you want to install permanently, click on this install MX Linux or close this one. See here on the desktop we have the installer. Just double click on it to open. See, these are terms of reference. Click on next. And see here these are the keyboard settings. If you want to change, click on this change keyboard settings. Then click on next. Select type of installation, regular installation using entire disk, or you can customize by selecting any one of these. Okay. If you want to encrypt, you have to select this checkbox. I am going with the default, so click on next. Select the drive and click on start. See, installation is in progress, but we have to configure this. So I am going with this default, so click on next. See, this is the computer name or host name. Later also you can change it. I am going with the default, so click on next. Localized settings also I am going with the default, so this is the time format. Next. Now we have to create or set up user. I am giving username as R2 schools. Then provide the password for this user. Confirm the same. Then if you want to enable root account, you have to select this checkbox and provide the password. Set the password. Then click on next. See, all done. Installation is in progress. See, this will take time. I am going to pause this video. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation complete. Automatically reboot the system when the installer is closed. So select it and click on finish to reboot. Now provide the password of the browser that you have created. Close this one. Notice here before on desktop we have the installer application. Now it is gone. Okay. Now open terminal. Open either terminal emulator or XFCE terminal. Either is same. Now verify the version /etc os-release. See, we got the Debian 13. Okay. So control it. Now verify the IP of the machine. ifconfig command not found. So you can also get the IP address by running ip-addr. See, this is the IP of the machine. Okay, control it. The first step after connecting to MX Linux 25 is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Provide the password of the currently logged in user. See, this will take time. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install MX Linux 25 Infinity Edition on VMware Workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.